The Toucan comes in 3 basic models with different working envelopes. The T8E has a compact length of 2.1 meters and width of 0.99 meters. The T10E offers a maximum working outreach of 3.38 meters and a width of 0.99 meters. And the T12E has a working height of just under 12 meters, a working outreach of 5.1 meters, and 1.2 meters width. Additional versions include the T12E Plus, offering over 12.5 meters working height and an impressive working outreach of 6.1 meters. Finally, the T8E is also available with an XL platform, offering greater working space and outreach capabilities. Precise operation comes with a 4-way joystick to control the drive and slew intuitively. 2 proportional lever switches accurately control the mast height and platform. The Toucan can be driven when the mast is elevated for increased productivity and the drive speed is reduced for increased control. The Toucan can also be operated with great precision, thanks to a responsive direct electric system delivering exceptionally smooth drive and positioning. The JLG Toucan puts hard to reach within reach. The Toucan series are equipped with several features enhancing the user's experience. An example of this is the multiple anchor points for the operator to attach their lanyard. And the powerful AC drive motors ensure ease of control and enable the Toucan to drive up an incline of 25% or 35% in the T12 and T12E Plus models. The status display shows at-a-glance information, troubleshooting codes, and settings. The Toucan is suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. The controls and status display are water and dust protected, and the machines are rated for outdoor use. The Toucans can be easily transported with a 2-meter stowed height and compact lengths across the range. They can be safely secured with 4 attachment points and have 2 lifting points for craning. The stowed lengths of the T8E, T10E, and T12E are 2.1 meters, 2.85 meters, and 3.65 meters respectively. The T8E and T10E are also available in an extra light L version. Routine maintenance is minimal due to the electric motors, protected hydraulics, and the maintenance-free AGM batteries. Service parts are easy to access, and importantly, the mast does not have to be removed to carry out the annual chain inspections. And finally, the Toucan display panel gives easy-to-read fault codes for quick diagnosis and repairs. Toucans are completely emission-free as they are electrically operated. This makes them suitable for indoor applications. The electric drive system runs near silently and could be suitable to be used out of hours and in noise-sensitive applications.